Hi you guys, so in 2025 25 ስራዎች ሃይሪንግ ዲማንድ የሚኖራቸው ወይም ብዙ ስራ የሚኖራቸውን ከኤኤአርፒ ላሳያችሁ። This is accountant is number 1 with 6% job percent increase for jobs. Actuary, it's like risk management, insurance companies ጋር ምናምን የሚሰሩት and assume it's going to have an increase. Number 3 is barista basrarat birka besat. It's gonna have some increase as well. Bicycle repair, which is weird. Number 14 is information security analyst, assume higher demand in oral with 9% increase. Medical assistant, it looks like it's going to have an increase, $20 an hour with 9% of job increase. Yazin article link description ላይ post አደርግላችኋለሁ. At the same time, join my free community link in bio so that you guys can make informed decisions. ስራ እየፈለጋችሁ ከሆነ እንዴት ስራ ማግኘት እንዳለባችሁ ኮሚኒቲን join አድርጋችሁ ተማሩ.